Ago Edianum na adofo. The rubo etiefo ne ahwefo sa don hwire so. Chiechia mo emama kwaba eba de rubo. Dwumedie so. Eye mo somfo de rubo ne kobena nyane. Ena nyana odi asempa ede eye nsempa pa na hyema no se memfa mbrem. Ewo dwumedie so. Eneso yehie na twede amponyankopon ko na yeda na ase. Ye besua de yakoye nim wa brabo yi mu. Se ne ebe ya ochine bi ye nkogira bebi nkoto eye eba na nwuma ne ma me kan ya wentie ma me hwo pa me hwe ma me hwo ma me hwe se ye kan wentie a wo beto sa nwum no wa brabo be ye ma me hwe. Before you get married or you enter into any relationship, what you need first is the trust. Trust in no ho nipa ne kasa wontie no, because wonnim say onipa wo kan sem we ya or kasa da. The meaning is stand, because what da adeayo onka no kore. So that's why obia onye trustworthy no don't qualify to be in a relationship. So yet also end after the first pillar, which is L, listener. Now we are going to look at the letter O, which is the second pillar when it comes to love or relationship. The second pillar is O, the letter O. O means open. Open. When you go to trust, you call trust, the foundation. You said the first letter, a transparency. And to open love, no more credit. That's what link, which is the letter O. O means open. Open means transparency. Oh, maybe one partner how you have to open up. Don't keep things in you. Don't hide things. Men hide in yama. Open up. Men ya mokola woman sebio. Men behave like some of our mokola women. Or kwejom no ba. No kensi cannot teta ne partner ba no we piache baby. Ye niama te sebi akwala. Me who answer ye ke bi esika no kra wo di dwa no. Be ma ye wo de sika na esie no no de ma. So we behave like buying a buffalo or to bear an atrumbo an egg. Buying an egg. Now the amount will be akwala. With the man who was so more because I won't give you. I won't give you. So let's grow, let's be matured enough. Open. Offer BB to say anything in the bottle. No way, you can't get the content. So when you hide things, at the end of the day, your partner cannot trust you. And when you hide things, and many partner, even if the relationship and survival ne break it up, on namwa onim say wo we are wicked because one na and yama papa woman one na you did not bring out the good things in you. You were always hiding it, sometimes because of the previous relationship that and you open up to the next person. If you are not ready to open up to any relationship or your partner, don't enter, because you are going to bring so many problems. If you don't open up, then what is love? Then you don't have any love, because you can't spell love without L-O. Because of now, most of the people don't have love. That's why they spell L-U-V instead of L-O-V. But majority of us, because we lack love and we don't understand love and we don't have any love to offer, we spell L-U-V. God have mercy. God have mercy. So all that I'm trying to say on this show is, let's try to open up to our partners. If you think you can't open up to that partner, then don't start any relationship with that person. So if your partner is somebody who always keep things, he or she is not ready to open up, then be careful. Don't rush marrying that person. Don't. Hold on, cry. Or the name says, yes, your previous relationship, oh no, yeah, was a man, yeah, was so why are you hiding things? Why are you not opening up? on kojo menu and na ya mansa na ya osa. That one too. Me, I'm not ya mansa. I'm not kojo menu. So why are you treating me like? No. So open up. Be truthful to me. More often you can hear more, especially our Ghanaian women, who say, Oba Bema won't worry there. You don't have to open up. Man, you can say, what done in the so because what done idea, and I remember the author, hey, my sister, you won't open. You did do yourself. Truly, one day we will teach about how you can know the real person, the real partner. The reasons why you should open up. You will see that when you open up, it's good for you yourself. It's not that personal. So learn to open up. Because of time, let's end it here. If Radhe had no repaying your best share, you made our so when you're I share the robot you made. Will comment no BBS is welcome. Till then, God bless you, but always remember, run away from problems. Your friend me kobena nyane me and I know dear sempa. I didn't summon a shaman. Bye bye.